Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. At this time, I'm going to teach you how to do the zoom through text effect using FILMORA9 video editing software. Let's start. As you can see here, I already placed my sample image. Later on, I'm going to tell you how it goes. And first, we're going to choose a color. Let us choose here, from here, a sample color. And let's try the color black, and let us put here in timeline number 1, and let us expand a bit more. And now we're going to choose here on the tab menu. Let us click titles, and let us use a simple title. On the left side, some kind of options or designs you have to choose, like costume, openers, titles, and so forth. At this time, we're going to use just a titles, and let us use this as sample title, like a default title, and let us drag down below over here on the timeline number 2. Now let us expand this, like the same size our background color black, and let us now double click at this area in order for us to modify or change the text. And let us put as example welcome. And now let us choose the kind of text or font that we are going to put in here. I think this is better. Sans ultra bold condensed. And now let us change the size of the font. And here you are. And there is another option for you to modify this or to add some text by clicking this button named Advanced. As you can see here, it appeared this kind of options, or another tab. With preset, you can choose what kind of text you wanted to use. It depends on you how would you like to appear or the kind of effect. Customize here the kind of text, color, or with a border, or either a text shadow. And here animation, if you wanted to animate the text. At this time, we're not going to use any animation, or either here you can add some text by clicking here the letter T icon, meant to say text. And now, as you can see here, there are other text option, and you may delete by clicking this bin. Click in. And you can also align over here. As you can see here, there is a coordinate like X and Y in order for you to guide if the font or text you are going to use is in the middle. So you can see here the X and Y coordinate. I think this is exactly the middle. Okay, let us click OK. And since we already prepared our desired text and title, let us now click this icon, a snapshot, like this camera that took the picture. Let us now click this OK. And as you can see, it appeared over here what we took a shot from the snapshot. And now we are ready to to delete this because we already prepared our text format. And now we're going to drag this here on the timeline number 2. And the image must be right underneath of text. And let us expand this right here. And now let us try to view the preview. Okay, I think it's okay. And now the next step is by clicking this text, by double clicking on this area, and will appear this kind of option. Now we're going to select the compositing with a drop down arrow, and that option over here, blending mode, with a drop down arrow. Let us use the multiply. As you can see here, it already took effect. Okay, let us click OK. And now once again, let us click at this area by clicking the right button of your mouse, and let us use the crop and zoom. Crop and zoom, let us choose pan and zoom. Make it sure the start point is over here and the end point is over there in the middle. And let us shrink this, and let us put somewhere over here. Okay, and let us click OK, and make it sure the image is placed well on the preview image over here. How can you do that? And let us try to hide this. As you can see here, there's a space in between both sides of the picture, both sides, left and right. Let us back here in the image and right click the image and choose the crop to fit. As you can see here, it's ready to effect. It's ready to fit on the screen, and the screen is normally 16 by 9 as normal standard aspect. And now let us open this one in order to view, and as you can see here, you can slide this timeline reader in order for you to preview the effect. As you can see here, as you can notice, it stops over here. What we are going to do is to enter exactly on the background image. What are we going to do is not to put this back a little bit back over here in the image. As you can see here, not exactly aligned on the image, on the background image. Let us put a bit back of this. Okay, and now let us try to play. Let us play. As you can see, little, it takes a little bit slower. Let us adjust a bit backward, something like this. Now let us try to play once again. As you can see, it will take just 5 seconds, much better or less. Boom. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned something from my tutorial, and please subscribe hit like and comment down below in order for you to answer back whatever question you have. And thank you for watching. God bless.